Good morning. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. Happy to have you. Disclaimer in advance, all right? I'm sounding full of stuff because I am. Every allergy I've probably ever had is stirred up right now. Oh my God, the lighting's gonna change. Oh. I hope you guys have been enjoying the episodes of the basement demolition and mold removal up to this point. I hope you've been enjoying that. I hope you're equally as excited as Minx is for the rebuild of the basement. Stay tuned. Minx and Quan are, well, they should have been at the house since 7 this morning. It's 10 now. Removing all the trash from the demo, taking it to our landfill. I'm eager to see how much they've done. So now we can mosey on up and start cleaning, like really deep cleaning and painting and doing all the little cosmetic stuff so that we can get it prepared for her and her family, who's very excited. And I'm excited for them. Now I'm dog tired. Don't get me wrong. I'm tired. Like, I'm tired. Just from physical work, because I don't work. So anything I do that's beyond sitting on the patio, enjoying my best life, is work. This is work. But it's necessary work. And I would rather be sick like this than one of my grandkids be sick as a result of the nastiness that was in that basement. So, again, today, maybe paint, hopefully paint, definitely hopefully paint, and finish cleaning up that basement and outdoors so that we can kind of move on without worrying about, oh my gosh, we still got trash everywhere. Now, I like to clean as I go. I think I asked y'all that in one of the other videos. I'm that person. And it might take me longer to do it, but that's the only way I can work. That's how I ended up stepping on the nail, was because I had stuff behind me that was in the way. Anyway, my foot is fine. I mean, it's still super sore because it's only been, that happened on, it's only been like 3 days when I'm filming this video that I stepped on the nail. I took one day off. The day after I stepped on the nail, I took that day off and then got back at it yesterday, and I'm going back today. So, okay, so we just have clean up. I do have to take this down today. I forgot. This wall is also coming down. Doesn't fit into the new design. And then if I stand over here in this corner, we got, trash here. The ceilings are fine, so they won't, come down. But the walls and all that stuff, it's going to be replaced. So we just have cleanup in here. Clean up, demo of this. This right here. That over there, that pile is wood that I saved. Let me also show you some more wood that I saved to reframe this. We have cleanup out here. First pile of wood. More cleanup. And then I have a big kahuna of wood over here. Lots and lots of wood. So let me tell y'all, when I did this basement years ago, these studs were $2 and like 9 cents, $2.16 for a 2x4. Today, that was in, I don't even remember what year it was, but today, one 2x4 is about $8 or $9. None of this is, all the wood that had mold on it, the studs, I sent that on. I just didn't even want to fool with it. This is what I saved to go back into the house. And then this car is about to be towed away from here. So how's that? Cleanup time. And what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take all the nails out of the 2x4. Okay, I'm gonna bang every nail out and stack this wood in the house so that it doesn't get damaged. Nice and neat in here. Once we get this cleaned out so that it can stay in here in the element. Stay in the house out of the element, I'm sorry. So that's what I'm about to do now. And I don't even know where I want to set y'all up at because y'all are part of the process, you know? You're part of it.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough. And maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no, he's great. Everything she wanted packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up, put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now. What if I just wanna be with you? Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I do when I think about you now.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again, now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin. Yeah, spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and
even when it don't feel right. I still wanna party with her, even when it don't feel right. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Oh yeah, even when it don't feel right. Hey, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. We be chillin' all through Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do.